Friends, you read 25 books in 2 years. Still you will lose money. Today I will share with you what is written in 25 books in a simple language plus my practical trading experience of 25 years. In part 1 today, friends, we will discuss about single candlestick patterns. I must tell you, candlestick patterns, single candlestick, 2 candlesticks and 3 candlesticks. In part 1 we will discuss only single candlestick pattern. But friends, before I go further, I would like to welcome you to Uptrending Shares, and I am your host Anil Sharma. So friends, let us go ahead with very simple understanding of single candlesticks chart and patterns. Few facts. Please understand a basic fact that candlestick chart are up to 85% accurate in absence of news whatsoever. Any adverse news, national, international, in sector or in security, etc., will instantly change the formation of candlestick. Candlestick charts are very easy to understand and to read the trend reversal at a glance. That is actually where the focus has to be, that is, read the trend reversals. Candlestick charts will increase your earning at least by 30%. That is my assurance to you. You use candlestick charts always along with line charts for better understanding. Candlestick charts can be used very effectively in intraday trade, swing trade, positional trade, future and options, and forex. Friends, I request you to please like, share, subscribe, download videos of this channel, and do not forget to press bell button. Please also share your comments. How did you like the video? The few uses I have already told you. The others are: candlestick chart indicate trader sentiment about the security or the equity or the indices. Candlestick charts give the future price movement quite accurately up to 85%. Candlestick charts show the trend reversal from top or bottom. Please remember, reversal are from top or bottom only, and a trader can easily master in 5 seconds and analyze the candlestick charts. Friends, it takes 5 seconds, mark my word. Please remember, candlestick charts are 80 to 85% accurate when used alone, but the effectiveness of candlestick charts increase to plus 95% when combined with certain indicators, and today we will see the indicator also. More importantly is, candlestick charts show the trend of future price movement. Friends, you know, only thing in the share market is where the price will go, and this is what candlestick chart will tell you. A trader has to spot the patterns in the candlestick charts. Candlestick chart will also give you buy signal, they give you sell signal, and also they give the stop loss fairly accurate. Please remember my $1 million advice. In candlestick chart, you have to focus on the size of body, how small, how big, and where it is placed, and size of wicks, how small, how big. Here, friends, we are seeing a candlestick. If you see, this candlestick is a bearish candle. We see open, close, we see high and also we see the low. In bearish candle, the open is high, close is below. Open and high and low can be always there. If this is actually a bullish candle means the open will be low, close will be high, this is high and this is low. Friends, I must tell you here that candlestick can be 5 minutes candlestick can be 10-minute candlestick can be 15 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. Whatever is irrespective of the time frame, in candlestick charts, so this is actually your bullish candle. So the open will be here, and see now what is happening. This is I am drawing for your convenience. In 1 minute, this is the open, this is close, this is high and this is low. Fine. So this candle actually, in candle you are not seeing the price movement, but actually there is a price movement which is going on. This is opening here. Fine. This is closing here, this is high and this is low. So what happens is, in any time frame, let us say it is 1 day time frame, so in 1 day where the candle opened, where it closed, which is the highest point and which is the lowest point, this is what a candlestick will comprises of. But eventually it will show in the form of candle, open, high, low, close, etc. It will show like this. Friends, the patterns which are formed in candlestick chart, you have to identify, because these can change the trend. So let us first understand what is doji. Doji you see the body is formed in the center. You have the wick up, you have the wick down. This wick should be minimum 2-3 times the size of body. Here it is much more. Doji means what? Doji means neither the buyers are in profit nor the sellers are in profit. It is moving in price is moving in a very narrow range. Nobody is gainer. The market is in a confused state, right? And it can show a trend reversal. So you see it has share market opened here, came down here. But since nobody gained, you cannot say here trend can change, trend may not change. Fine. So this candle does not show anything. That is your doji. Nobody gains, nobody lost. Say for example, if the price of a share is 1000 rupees, the open and close will be could be 990 and 1010 rupees. So a difference of say 20 rupees in share of 1000 rupees. Nobody gains, nobody loses. So that is your doji. It is a confused state. Then you have a spinning top. Spinning top also is like doji. Friends, one thing I just forgot to tell you here, and that what I want to tell you here, this is at the 50% only, always in the center. And this 50% actually is extremely important in reading the charts, almost in 90% of the cases. Now another is your spinning top. Spinning top, what happens is that there is a small body found. Say previously it was 100 rupees, the difference, sorry, 20 rupees difference, now it will be a 50 rupees or 60 rupees difference. But the size of wicks are equally up and equally down. So spinning top also is like a confused state. Like say for example here, it is not saying that it will go up or it will go down, right? But market is market. Spinning top does not say anything, but market has gone down, market could have gone up also here. Fine. So this is also your spinning top, right? I will write Okay, let's see the next. Next is a dragonfly doji. We have all seen friends, dragonfly, the green fly which moves in the grass. Fine. In this doji, fine, you see the body is formed at the small body is formed at the top. This is the trend which is there. The trend actually is coming down, downtrend. Now this body is formed, and see the legs of the body. You have to focus on the size of body, where it is formed, and the wicks. Wicks is very long. It is formed at the top, and this is the 50%. Sorry, I just say this is roughly 50%, my guess. So it is above 50%. The market actually will go up, and see the market has gone up. Again, it is a doji. You do not know what will happen. Again, there is a spinning top, and then again there is one more kind of doji which we will see later on. But dragonfly doji means the price actually will go up. Dragonfly doji is formed at the end of the downtrend. Now this is actually a gravestone doji. Gravestone doji is found at the top of the trend. Fine, this my handwriting is not coming at top of the trend. Fine. Now this is actually the top of trend. It has come, and see, this is the 50%. The body is small. Body is formed at the bottom. There may be a wick. There may not be a wick. Fine. It is formed at the top of the trend. See, the price actually has fallen down, and then you see there is a fall. So this is actually formed at the top of the trend, and once the trend is reversal, this is actually come down. So gravestone doji is formed at top of the, just remember, it is formed at the top of trend. The trend is up, it is formed at the top of the trend. Now we see a hanging man. Hanging man means what? Hanging man, again you see I am marking 2-3 things. If you see in hanging man, this is 50%. The body is formed over 50%. It is like a man who is hanging. There may be a small wick, there may not be a small wick, but this is actually twice the body of twice the size. The body is twice the size of a wick. Fine. Similarly, you can see one here. You can see this is actually no, this is not. This is a spinning top. Let me. I will say this is not there. It is a spinning top. So this is a hanging man. Hanging man is at the top of the trend. The trend actually was going here like this, and here it is. This is one. This is another hanging man, and see now there is a decline. So hanging man is also at the top of trend. At the top of trend. Okay. Let's find another hammer. Friends, this is actually wrong here. Hammer, actually this is hammer. Hammer is formed at the bottom of the trend. Hammer means what? Hammer means whether it is a hanging man or a hammer, it is hammering out the trend. Here you see the body is formed at the top of the trend, and this is the 50% mark. Above 50% mark, a small body is formed. There may be a wick, there may not be a wick. You see, and then here there is a trend reversal. I must say this is pretty strong. Now friends, here all what we have discussed, we have I have shown here. See, this is here. If you see, this is actually, this is here. Fine, this is a doji. This is gravestone doji. No, this is a spinning top, gravestone doji. Where is gravestone? This is a gravestone doji. This is a gravestone doji here, and this is doji here. This is a hanging man here. This is a hanging man here. Are you seeing this? Fine. This is a spinning top here, and this is a gravestone doji, but it has failed. Let us see, check in the next video, where is the, how do we deal with the fakes. This is also a fake, because this is a gravestone doji. If the price should have fallen, the price rather increased. Let us see in the next video. Next slide we see here. Now this is a fake signal which I am talking about, how to deal with a fake signal. This is a completely fake signal. The price actually should have gone down. Color of the candle does not matter in these. Now friends, what has happened? I have put here a moving average of 2. Are you seeing this moving average of 2? As our usual stand is, when once you put the moving average of 2, still the direction is up and it has gone up. This is another fake signal. This should have come down, but actually I do not know what will happen. But the direction of moving average is up. If the moving average is flat, it will come down. If the moving average, here, this is also doji, the moving average has come down. Fine. The direction of the moving average is very important in reading the moving averages, which we have so many times discussed. So friends, the grand way to avoid the fake signal is always deal with the moving average of 2. Fine. And the fake signals will be avoided easily. You may not wait for the next signal, right? So put moving average of 2. Now friends, let us see here where to put the stop loss. In swing trading or in intraday trade, supposing this is actually the candle which we are dealing. Fine, this is Morubuzu. So we are dealing with this. So our stop loss for this candle will be the opening price of this. Our stop loss for this will be, it is not, let us check. Our stop loss here will be, this will be our stop loss for this. So what is happening is we have put, I'm sorry, this will not be the stop loss. It is still going up. Our stop loss is actually the here, right? So stop loss is the lower or the highest of the previous candle. Friends, one thing I want to talk to you today. One thing more. Now if you see how to go about positioning yourself apart from the moving average also, whether the next candle will be what. So this candle, if you see here, this is actually 50%. The price has already gone below 50% of this one candle, and it has also gone 50% of this candle, right? So in both the cases the price has gone down, so 100% the price will come down. 100% the price actually will come down. Here if you see, This is opening, this is close. What has happened? Our stop loss will be here. This will be our stop loss. It has opened here and it has further gone down. If it had gone up, our stop loss would have triggered and we would have made a small loss or whatever it is. Okay, so I have told you that 50% of any candle is very important. 50% of any candle is very important. While making a decision, you can also consider the present candle in question, whether the price will go up or down. Here it has what happened, it has already crossed 50%, so it will go down. Here, previous candle, if you see here, it has gone, even the price has gone 50% of this candle also. So what we have done is, both the candles we have considered the 50% of the price. And in two candle pattern, we will study what 50% candle, it is the strongest candle. We will study in the part 2, that is 2 candlestick chart and patterns. So we have seen about stop losses, we have seen how to prevent fake signals with moving average of 2. Friends, thank you very much for joining me. Please comment how did you find this video. Basics I have tried to explain you, plus I have also tried to explain you buy and sell signals and the stop loss. I think so much coverage was very important, and this coverage we have already done. Let me check with you what are your comments, whether we have done it right or we have done it wrong. Please comment. Thank you.